that is just one way of unethical use of generative AI. And I believe that the current generative AI we use today can do much more, and they can offer much more. Imagine this. We are given a task to make 100 essay about something, and the instructor expects us to make that in 5 days. But with the use of generative AI, we can easily make that in less than a minute. We just need to copy and paste or give it a prompt and watch it do the work that was assigned to us. Easy, right? We can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and Dola. That were just the most common generative AI, and there are so much more. But how do we benefit from this? Using it unethically? Sure, we can say we're saving so much time rather than doing it manually. And what do we do with the time we save? Spending it doom scrolling on TikTok, on Facebook, and other social media. Do we really save time, or we just wasted it regardless? Generative AI is there to guide us. It was the bridge that will lead us towards understanding of the main idea of the subject. So we shouldn't take advantage of it, or we're just gonna destroy our way of doing things. There were no hardship, no understanding, no fun of doing things anymore. Therefore, we would not achieve our goals with fulfillment and satisfaction. So my advice is use generative AI responsibly, don't abuse it, and use it unethically.